Title: Mickey's Microwave Disaster. Mickey Mouse wakes up happy and energetic. Oh boy, time for my famous cheesy chili popcorn breakfast, Mickey said enthusiastically. He piles popcorn, chili sauce, and shredded cheese into a bowl. Then he puts it in the microwave. This is going to be great, Mickey said, grinning. He hits the 10-minute timer. He meant one, but pressed an extra zero. The cheese starts bubbling. The popcorn starts popping. The chili starts exploding. Outside the microwave, Mickey hears strange sounds. Poof, pop, splat. Mickey opens the microwave. Boom, cheese on the ceiling, popcorn in his ears, chili all over Pluto. Woof, 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 hot. Pluto yelped, distressed. Well, I guess I invented fireworks-flavored popcorn, Mickey said with nervous laughter. Moral: never trust a mouse with a microwave. Mickey fails funny mouse moments, kitchen disaster.